I had a request to do a tutorial on the wavy lettering in Procreate. Now, I do have the wavy lettering added into the design studio, so I will personally just be pulling text in from there if I need it for Procreate. But you do have a way to do it in Procreate. It's just kind of a pain. I wish that they would make it to where you could do this a little bit easier. But what you're going to do is go ahead and add your text, and I'm just going to write, um, let's do, hmm. I'm just gonna do mommy 3 times. So maybe we're doing like a mom design. And I'm gonna go here and I want to change the font. I'm probably got one on here that I can use that's a little more retro, just because this look really looks good with a rounded out font. So I'm trying to see. Let me go to the top and see. I may just pick that one. Oh, there we go. There's a bold bubble. Okay. So I'm just going to do the bulb bubble, and then I want to make sure that the line spacing is up. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. Then I'm going to enlarge it. And what you want to do is you're actually going to go to adjustments here, and you want to go to liquify, and you want to push. So you want to make sure that you're not expanding. It gives you a few different options here. You just want to push things out. This is going to be the size of your brush. This is how much pressure it's doing, and this is how much of a distortion. So you really have to play around with that for the look that you're wanting, because that was way too much pressure. And then you just slowly push up and down, but it distorts. So let me turn the distortion all the way off. I'm just going to click undo, turn the distortion off. And then it does a better job of just kinda pushing the letters. And you could do this per layer and then duplicate, or you can do them all the layers together, but that's technically how you would do a wavy text in your Procreate here. I just prefer to do a wavy text in the design studio and then bring it in so that I don't have a headache of having to try to do all of this and it's still messing with the letters a little too much. But that is how you do it. So if you're needing to do it with your text, normally the text would be a lot taller, so it would not be small and chunky and blocky like this when you're doing it. But you do have a different options for all of your different texts. You just have to play with it to see what you like.